Good afternoon, student. Welcome to the VVPS e-learning classes. Today I am going to teach you the new topic, that is role of a constitution. In the previous video I have explained you that why a constitution needed by a country. This is also the part of the same topic. Okay. Now the role of a constitution is to define the nature of a country political system, whether it is monarchy or a democracy or any other system. So in a monarchy, a country is ruled by a king or a queen aided by a council of ministers. Means in a monarchy system, the king is the main head and it can take the support of the council of ministers. In a democracy, people elect their representative to rule on their behalf. Both the system have vastly different set of rules. मतलब दोनों अलग अलग हैं. Monarchy system and the democratic system. The constitution of a democratic country play a important role as it explains the power and function of the various organ and branches of the government. It is a vast and a voluminous containing minutes detail. Nepal has framed a new constitution as it has recently become a democracy from a monarchies. मतलब जैसे कि मैंने आपको प्रीवियस वीडियो में बताया था कि नेपाल में जहाँ पहले मोनार्ची सिस्टम चलता था, बाद में वहाँ पे भी डेमोक्रेसी अलाउ हो गई. Now in a democracy, people elect their representative through periodic elections to rule on their behalf. However, the representatives it includes the MP, the MLA, many of whom become the ministers. Generally, misuse their power and authority for the personal gain or for helping their relatives and the फ्रेंड्स. कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि जब बहुत से ऐसे एमपीज़ या एमएलए होते हैं कि उनके पास पावर आने के बाद वो उसका मिसयूज़ करते हैं. द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन सीक टू प्रोवाइड चेक एंड बैलेंस टू प्रिवेंट द मिसयूज़ ऑफ पावर by the leaders. Misuse of power lead to corruptions, inequality and the injustice. So what did the constitution do? The constitution seek to provide check and balance to prevent the misuse of power by the leaders. Up to here it is clear, children? Now I am going to write the main points. You can see here. What is the main features? First, another, you can write here, another important role of a constitution is to define the nature of a country political system. And what do we do in a democracy? In a democracy, people elect their representative. People elect their representatives to rule on their behalf. Okay, up to here it is clear. You can write this point also, that in a democracy people elect their representative through the periodic election. to rule on their behalf. Okay, you can write this point also, that the constitution seek to provide check and balance to prevent the misuse of power by the leaders. Balances to prevent misuse of power by the leaders. Up to here, children, it is clear. One thing, most of the students have asked me whether I note this one in the fair copy or not. I want to say that बेटा ये जो मैं लिखवा रही हूँ आपको, ये सब इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स है, ताकि आपके टॉपिक में ये इम्पॉर्टेंट स्लाइड्स के जरिए आपका जो भी डाउट होगा वो पूरी तरह से क्लियर हो जाएगा. अगर ये आपको लिखना ही है तो आप रफ कॉपी में टॉपिक बेस्ड ये सारे पॉइंट्स लिख सकते हैं. Okay children, up to here it is clear. Thank you class.